Hey, what is up guys? It's Alma Designs here with a super easy tutorial on how to install your new courtesy door light projector with the Holden logo. Now to get started, we'll go through what comes in the package when you order and what you'll need to install it. Now the first thing I recommend is a piece of chalk or some sort of wipeable marker. Now it's not a necessity or a must-have to install it, but it'll definitely make things easier as you'll see later in the video. Then obviously you'll need the projector package itself, and then finally 3 AAA batteries. Now when we open the projector pack, you'll find there's 2 projectors used to emulate the logo. At the top of each projector, you'll find a small magnet used to turn the projector on and off. And lastly, you'll also see 2 adhesive patches, one for each projector. Now the first thing we want to do is test and ensure that our projectors are all in working order. So remove the battery cap on the front and put in the batteries. And there we go, the logo comes out perfectly. Click the button on the top of the projector to manually turn it on and off. Now to test whether the magnetic sensors work, so grab one of the magnets provided, place it at the bottom of the sensor that's labelled on the projector, and move it backwards and forwards, making sure that the logo turns on and off when you move the magnet from and under the sensor like shown. Now that you've checked everything works, place the battery cap back on and grab an adhesive patch. You'll find that the adhesive patch has a small cutout outlined in the middle. Push that out and you'll get 2 sets of adhesive patches, one for the magnet and one for the projector. Remove one side of the protective sleeve on the patch and then attach it to the flat side of the projector. Make sure that you press down on it firmly so that it attaches nicely to the material. Now do the same for the magnet, using the smaller cutout patch we removed before. And great, now we're all set to install. For this example, I'm installing it on my 2017 Holden Commodore SS Black Edition. So hop into the side that you want to install it on. Now the first thing we want to install is the magnet that will turn the projector off when the door is closed. So this part goes at the bottom of the door sill, and when you do attach it, you want to ensure that it's on a flat surface part so that when you attach your projector, it's not going to graze the side of the door when you close or open it. Now an easy way I found in installing the magnet is to place it at the top of the sill and then slide it down to the position you would like to have your projector on. Make sure it's placed in a position where if you look directly down on it from above, you'll see the top of the magnet is just under the door. Once happy with the position of the magnet, grab the chalk or marker and put a small mark right below the magnet. Once that's done, open your door, pick up the magnet and remove the other side of the adhesive patch and place it back down on that marked spot that you made with your chalk. Now all that's left to do is attach the projector to the door. It's important to know that when you do attach the projector, you ensure that the magnet sensor is as close as possible to the magnet without them touching. So remove the protective sleeve and lower the projector slowly, being careful the adhesive does not touch the door until you have the position you want. You'll notice that the projector will be in a sensor range once the light turns off. Again, make sure it's as close to the sensor as possible. Once you're happy with the placement, press firmly on the projector to make sure the adhesive sticks. And there we go, it's all on just like that. Now all that's left to do is enjoy your new accessory.